Hi guys, Sabadi de Pome Pinong. Today I am going to introduce you guys to a new menu. It is called Pickled Bamboo. Right here I have shredded bamboo. These are fresh bamboo. Here's my fresh bamboo. Now I purchased this a while back, so it's not as fresh. First of all, we want to peel out the outer layer. What you could do is place your hand where the young part is so that you keep that part. You could either chop it or slice it in pieces. Alright guys, I am finished. So I have 3 bamboo shoots all chopped up in small pieces. What I'm going to do is transfer into a container where I'm going to have it soak in salt water overnight. What I did is fill the bamboo with water pretty much to a covering level. You're going to add salt in there. Now I don't have exact measurement yet. Basically you want to add enough salt, like when you taste, the water, it has that saltiness. And then 2, let's start out with 2 tablespoons. Mix it up. Let me go ahead and taste the water and see where the saltiness is at. Add a little bit more, maybe half a tablespoon. I'm going to cover this up and set it out in a room temperature overnight. Alright guys, the next step is soaking sticky rice overnight. The reason for that is we need the water from the soaked sticky rice to make the liquid for the pickled bamboo. Now this is about 4 cups of sticky rice. So what you want to do is rinse the sticky rice. Alright guys, now that we have washed the rice 3 times, I'm going to go ahead and soak the rice. Alright guys, this is how much I added. You want enough to cover the rice and also enough that the rice doesn't soak up all the water overnight. So I give it pretty good amount of water, so that shouldn't be a problem. And also you want to make sure you have enough for the pickled bamboo for tomorrow. Alright guys, we have soaked the rice overnight. The water is a little bit cloudy, so what we want to do next is drain out the rice, and we just want the water. Here's my strainer and mixing bowl. I'm gonna mix the rice a little bit. Alright guys, this is the water that we will use for the pickled bamboo. And here's the bamboo that's been soaked in salt water overnight. Okay. What you want to do is rinse and wash it a couple times to get that saltiness out. Are finishing it up, just squeeze out the water, excess water, and then this is when we're going to jar it next. 2 of my clean jar that I will use. All you do is stuff it in there. I think this will be good. I wanted to make sure it fits 2 jars. Right guys, I got 2 jars. They're not all the way up. It should be okay. So next we're going to add the rice water in here. Mix it up a little bit. All you're doing is fill it up to the top or enough to cover the bamboo. Alright, we got 2 jars with rice water filled all the way up to the top. What I'm going to do next is add a little bit of salt. The salt I'm using, just a little bit, that when you taste the liquid you could get that little saltiness. not too much. I'm gonna start with less than a tablespoon. I don't want to add too much because when you make it too salty, you can't switch or change that around. Okay, let's go ahead and try a little bit of less than a tablespoon. Mix it up. So let's taste the water. You don't want it to be too salty, just a little tap, you know, to get a taste. And if you taste a little saltiness, then that should be good. And I think that's good enough. I'm gonna do same thing, less than tablespoon. This much goes in there, and then we're gonna mix it up. And what you're gonna do next is cap and set it out in room temperature until it's sour. Just cap it up real tight. Make sure you don't have any liquid leaking out. That's to test if it's a good jar to use. Okay, that's good. Set this out in room temperature until it gets sour. Hey guys, it's been 10 days since I pickled the shredded bamboo. It is ready to go. I am ready to cook with it. It is pretty sour. This is what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fix you two of my favorite dish using sour bamboo. The first one is going to be gel no mai som. Almost like a sour bamboo dipping sauce. Here are my ingredients. I have fresh peppers, sliced green tomatoes from the garden, and a little bit of the Thai eggplant, and I'm going to top it off with cilantro. Chilies in there. You could put as many as you want. Just want to smash. I will add the eggplants and green tomatoes just so I could, you know, get a little bit mushed up. Give it a gentle pound. So I am using less than a half a cup of sour bamboo. Just put it in there. Keep in mind the bamboo is sour and has that little bit of saltiness to it. So when you do add your flavor ingredients, you don't want to go too heavy on the salt. I will use fermented fish sauce. This is the brand that I use often. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that. This is about a little over a teaspoon. And this is MSG. Again, if you guys don't use MSG, you could always leave that out. But we do use MSG in my household. I will put a dash of MSG in there. Give it a good mix. This is one of my favorite and simple dish. Add a little bit more of fermented fish sauce. Just a little bit more. You could always adjust your taste. Everybody has different tastes, so adjust them however you like. I like my cooking to be a little on the flavored end. Add in your cilantro. Give it a good shift. Guys, my second dish is going to be sour bamboo fish soup. I have 2 tilapia fillet sliced up, smashed chili. I think I use about three peppers, tomatoes, lemon basil. Now this one is pretty essential in fish soup, Lao cooking. We call it pak ituna. I have 2 cups of water in the pot. Let's go ahead and add the smashed peppers. The fish. I will season with chicken powder, a little bit, maybe a teaspoon. Fermented fish sauce. Now in Lao cooking, fermented fish sauce or what we call it badak, is the main ingredients in most of our soup. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon for now. Fish sauce. I'm gonna give it about a teaspoon for now. We'll add the sour bamboo. I use about half a cup. All right guys, if you want your soup to be a little sour, you could use the liquid from here. You know, that will give you extra sour to your soup. Add the tomatoes, sliced tomatoes in there. I won't add the whole sliced tomato because it looks like I kind of sliced too much. You don't want to stir too much because you don't want to break the fish pieces up. Give it a last taste. I'm going to add a little bit more of fish sauce. Add the lemon basil. Very simple sour bamboo fish soup. And you turn the heat off and it's ready to be served.